Hi, welcome to Health Diaries with Plea. Today we'll talk about intermittent fasting. Why are there not more people talking about intermittent fasting? Think of it as giving your body a break from food. You eat during certain hours and fast during others. It's that simple. No fancy diets or weird foods, just timing your meals differently. Why are people doing this? Our bodies aren't meant to eat all the time. In the past, humans didn't have 24/7 access to food. Intermittent fasting mimics this natural pattern. It's like pressing a reset button for your body. This doesn't mean starving yourself, you're just changing when you eat. Most plans let you eat normally during certain hours. Then you fast for the rest of the day. Some people fast for 16 hours and eat for 8. Others might fast for a full day once or twice a week. The key is finding what works for you. Remember, it's not about restricting calories, it's about when you eat them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Now, let's get into why intermittent fasting is so popular. When you fast, amazing things happen in your body. It's like giving your cells a mini vacation. They get a chance to repair and rejuvenate. First up, weight loss. When you're not eating, your insulin levels drop. This makes it easier for your body to burn fat. Plus, you're likely eating fewer calories overall. But it's not just about weight. Intermittent fasting can also boost brain health. Studies show it may improve memory and even protect against diseases like Alzheimer's. How? It triggers a process called autophagy. That's when your body cleans out damaged cells. Think of it as spring cleaning for your brain. Fasting may also help your heart by lowering blood pressure and reducing bad cholesterol. Early results are promising, but more research is needed. Ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Great. Let's look at some popular methods. First up, the 16-8 method. You fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between noon and 8 p.m., then fast until noon the next day. It's simple and fits well with most schedules. Plus, you're sleeping for a big chunk of your fasting time. Next, we have the 5-2 diet. You eat normally 5 days a week. On the other 2 days, you reduce your calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories. These don't have to be consecutive days. Some people find this easier because they only have to think about fasting twice a week. For those who want to start slower, there's the 12-12 method. You fast for 12 hours and eat for 12 hours. This could mean stopping eating after dinner at 7 p.m. and not eating again until 7 a.m. It's a gentler way to ease into fasting. Lastly, there's the eat-stop-eat method. This involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. The key is to find what feels right for you. Now that you know the basics, let's create a routine. The goal is to make fasting fit into your life, not the other way around. Let's start with the popular 16-8 method as an example. First, choose your eating window. Many people prefer eating from noon to 8 p.m. This allows for lunch and dinner with family or friends. But if you're an early bird, you might prefer 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. The key is consistency. Pick a window that works most days of the week. Plan your meals during your eating window, aiming for balanced, nutritious meals. Start with a satisfying lunch. Include protein, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. For dinner, follow the same principle. If you're hungry between meals, have a healthy snack. Remember, you're not restricting calories, just timing them. During the fasting period, consume only water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. These drinks help curb hunger without breaking your fast. Stay busy in the morning to distract from hunger. Have your coffee or tea. Take a walk or do some light exercise. The key is to stay consistent and be patient with yourself. Section 5. Nutrition tips during eating windows. Alright, let's talk food. Just because you're fasting doesn't mean you can eat whatever you want during your eating window. The goal is to nourish your body, not stuff it. First up, protein. It's your best friend when fasting. It keeps you full and satisfied. Aim to include protein in every meal. This could be lean meats, fish, eggs, or plant-based options like beans and lentils. Protein also helps maintain muscle mass, which is important when you're fasting. Next, let's talk about vegetables. Load up on these nutrient powerhouses. They're low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fiber is especially important. It keeps you full and helps with digestion. Aim for a variety of colorful veggies. The more colors, the more nutrients. Don't forget about healthy fats. They help you feel satisfied and provide essential nutrients. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Lastly, complex carbohydrates. Choose whole grains, sweet potatoes, and legumes. Section 6. Staying hydrated while fasting. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked: hydration. When you're fasting, staying hydrated is crucial. Water isn't just for quenching thirst, it's essential for your body to function properly. Drinking water doesn't break your fast. You can and should drink water throughout your fasting period. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, more if you're active or it's hot outside. Not a fan of plain water? Try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for flavor. Black coffee and unsweetened tea are generally okay during fasting. They can even help suppress appetite. But be careful. Adding milk, sugar, or artificial sweeteners can break your fast. Start your day with a big glass of water. When you wake up, you're already slightly dehydrated. Drinking water first thing can help kickstart your metabolism. It can also help you feel more alert. Staying well hydrated can help prevent headaches and fatigue. Section 7. Overcoming common challenges. Let's face it, starting anything new can be tough. Intermittent fasting is no exception, but don't worry, I'm here to help you tackle the most common challenges. First up, hunger pangs. These are probably the biggest hurdle for most people. Remember, it's normal to feel hungry at first. Your body is adjusting to a new eating pattern. Try drinking water or herbal tea when hunger strikes. Keeping busy can also help distract you. The good news? Most people find these pangs decrease over time. Next, let's talk about social situations. What do you do when friends want to grab dinner during your fasting window? Don't panic! You have options. You could adjust your eating window for that day, or join them for the company and just have a drink. Remember, flexibility is key. Don't let fasting control your life. Another common challenge is low energy. Some people feel tired or sluggish when they start fasting. This is usually temporary. Make sure you're eating nutritious meals during your eating window. Getting enough sleep is also crucial. If fatigue persists, you might need to adjust your fasting schedule. Everyone's different, so find what works for you. Section 8. Exercise and intermittent fasting. Now, let's talk about moving your body. Can you exercise while fasting? Absolutely. Many people find they have more energy for workouts when fasting. If you're new to fasting, you might want to schedule your workouts during your eating window at first. This gives your body time to adjust. As you get more comfortable with fasting, you can experiment with exercising during your fasting period. Light cardio like walking or yoga can be great during fasting periods. If you prefer more intense workouts, you might want to time them closer to your eating window. Pay attention to how you feel. If you're doing high-intensity workouts while fasting, watch for signs of dizziness or weakness. After your workout, make sure to refuel properly during your eating window. Staying hydrated is crucial too, especially if you're exercising while fasting. Section 9. Tracking progress and adjusting your plan. All right, you've started your fasting journey. Now what? It's time to talk about tracking progress and making adjustments. Remember, intermittent fasting is a tool, not a strict rule. You can and should adjust it to fit your life and goals. Keep a journal of how you feel each day. Note your energy levels, mood, and any physical changes. This isn't just about weight loss. Pay attention to how you sleep, your digestion, and your overall well-being. If weight loss is your goal, weekly weigh-ins can be helpful. But don't obsess over the number on the scale. Look for overall trends rather than day-to-day changes. Be willing to adjust your plan. If you're consistently feeling run down or overly hungry, it might be time to change things up. Maybe you need a shorter fasting window, or perhaps you need to adjust the timing of your eating window. Celebrate your progress. Recognizing these victories, big and small, can help keep you motivated. Section 10. Maintaining a balanced approach to health. As we wrap up, let's talk about balance. Intermittent fasting can be a great tool for health, but it's not the only tool in the box. It's important to look at your overall lifestyle. Fasting is just one piece of the puzzle. Remember that nutrition matters. Fasting isn't a free pass to eat junk food during your eating window. Focus on whole, nutritious foods. Plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. This doesn't mean you can never enjoy a treat. It's about balance, not perfection. Don't forget about other aspects of health. Exercise regularly in a way that you enjoy. Get enough sleep. This is crucial for overall health and can make fasting easier. Manage stress through activities like meditation, yoga, or hobbies you enjoy. All these factors work together to support your health. Listen to your body. If fasting doesn't feel right, it's okay to stop or adjust your approach. Health isn't one size fits all. The goal is to find what helps you feel your best. Be kind to yourself. Health is a journey, not a destination. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness.